that was amazing. But the crowd reaction, we loved it. It was very engaged and kind of impromptu, but it was we loved it. We loved it.
And most importantly, are you set for your big performance?
Oh yeah, geared up. We're ready to go. Kicking off whenever you're all ready. 12 o'clock noon, exactly.
Can't wait to see it. Thank you.
To be able to march past these places, what a thrill for all
Absolutely
these kids.
superb. Quite amazing for them. Talladega getting ever closer to the keynote performance in the arena. As they turn the corner down there. Let's anyway go and have a chat to Swazi and Joe at the start of the parade route. See who they're with up there.
Keep our eyes and our ears open. Is there anyone you're particularly looking forward to seeing and enjoying while you're here today?
The whole thing, really. I actually am here.
Oh, thank you, Swazi.
Well, the Talladega band is now well on its way down Whitehall and should be with us here in just a couple of moments to give their keynote performance in the finale area at the end of the parade route. But just before they get here, I've got somebody really important in the studio that I want everybody to meet today because, well, parades, I mean, you've been to all of them, I expect, but certainly all the American ones, I'm sure. So where are we today?
Your gold standard, you know that. It's the upper tier.
And here come the Talladega College Great Tornado Band. Here they are, they've entertained all along the route under the direction of Adrian Thompson, who you met a while ago.
Oh, get ready. And the Talladega Great Tornado Band from Talladega College, one of the proud HBCUs. And for those of you not in America who don't know what that means, those are historically black colleges and universities. They brought over 180 people to London for these 6 days, and they have been loving every second of it. And the crowd has been loving every second of them, Bob.
They are unbelievable. I tell you what, if ever you want to be woken up nicely but loudly on a New Year's morning, they are the absolute perfect medicine for it. They're absolutely brilliant.
You won't even need a cup of coffee if you've got them in the room.
Actually,
I'll tell
that
you
reminds me, I haven't had one yet. Never mind, let's get on with that in a moment.
Well.
Anyway, they will be leaving the arena.
SHAQ TV.